Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is import media. In this video, we will learn that how we can import media in Camtasia Studio. It's very simple process. First of all, be sure that you are on this clip bin tab. If you are in clip bin tab, here you can see that it says contains video, audio, animates, clips used in current project. This is where we need to be. Let's import some media the standard way. Just click on at the top, import media, or click this little drop down menu, and you can see that here we have some import options like import media, import from Google Drive, import from My Places. From here you want to import, just select from here. I want to import media. Now select the video. Now I want to import image. Then I want to import audio. So you can see that in our clip bin we have our media sorted by type: image, audio and video, and the shortcut is Ctrl+I for import media. So and that's where we can import our media in Camtasia Studio. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.